Okay, today I'm going to do something that I haven't really done on this channel before. One of my other hobbies is lockpicking. So, I'm just going to show you something. So I've got a TSA lock from a regular luggage company. I've just changed the combination on this. I'm not going to look at the combination while I open it, though. Aside from these TSA locks having a common set of keys, I think there's maybe a dozen different keys, and they all have the TSA number that identifies which key opens this. And there are a number of people on the internet who have created keys that you can buy on the internet that open these. Aside from that, this type of combination lock, which is commonly used for these luggage locks and bicycle locks and laptop locks that lock your laptop down to a desk or something, they're really just meant to slow people down. I mean, aside from the fact that almost all luggage these days has a zipper, and zippers are super easy to open with nothing more than a pen, even if you wanted to go through this lock, which I can show you, it is locked, right? I can't force that open. This is very, very easy to open. Okay, so the trick to this is put a bit of tension on this shackle here, pulling up on it, rotate the first ring until you feel a change in resistance. When you feel that, you go on to the next ring and do the same. Feel a little bit of a change in resistance. You might even feel the shackle move a little bit in your fingers. Then you go on to the next ring. If the next ring is moving super easy, oh wait, there it is. So what number was that? That was, see if I can focus on this. I'm kind of between numbers. Interesting. Yeah, that seems to be the number there. So the number, if I can get this to focus, was 847. I had no idea. This had been set, but I was not aware of what number it was set to. And as you saw, wasn't even looking at the numbers as I was rolling the rings around. Just doing it all by feel. In fact, here, the way that you change these, you turn the shackle around backwards and press down, and then you rotate the rings. And I've got my eyes closed right now, so I have no idea what this is being set to. So that is locked, and I do not know what the combination is. So, just by feel, I feel a little bit of a change in tension there. So I'll leave it there. Oh, that one might even already be on the number. I'll spin it around one more time. That seems to be a good spot. There we go. And that, so that was 212. So they slow people down, but they're not going to stop anybody from getting in who really wants in.